G'day guys, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's September 20, 2023. This is the US crude oil price update. On the daily, you can see here it's actually hit our resistance since our last video, and it's making some slight retrace off that resistance area. You'll notice the CCI is also turning down and still in slight decline, and the Stochastic as well is leveling out, so nothing too dramatic, but some early signs possibly. If we jump to the hourly chart, you can see here we did draw this trend line previously, and that's still in place for a break below that to hit our divergent target, and that divergence is based on the commodity channel index. You can see there that's still in decline on the hourly, and it's just resting on that trend line as we speak. So hit that resistance area at 91.37, and now it's potentially going to penetrate below this trend line. Now if it breaks below that, we expect it to come and hit this closest Fibonacci range, which is the 23 to the 38%. We always choose the closest Fibonacci to give us a better probability of success. Now these divergences generally work out, probably 9 out of 10 times they work out. Occasionally they fail, and this was a failure back there where it broke below this trend line. It broke below that one there. That was our initial target area. But that failed to hit. You can see there it readjusted it, and it went up along this second trend line we developed after it, kept rising from there. So that was one instance where the divergent failed, but again I try to keep all of these other little squares indicate where divergence happened, and all of these were successful. There's another little one there. So this is another divergent we're looking out for potentially working. Again, you can see the CCI is still trending in decline, and it's actually getting stronger in decline and reaching the midpoint on the commodity channel index. On the Stochastic, likewise, it's in the overbought territory and starting to break down as well. So this could be the start of a retrace to hit our divergent target there. The other thing I want you to notice as well is we do have this multiple indicator down here, and generally when this gives us multiple breaks above the positive 3, it generally means the price is probably bottomed out and starting to retrace to the upside. You can see there during that period it was breaking below the -3, and that's where it's telling us to be careful and start preparing for a retrace to the downside, which it did. Another retrace to the downside there, and so on. And currently it's breaking below the -3 a few times there and giving us another indicator possibly of a decline. So again, it's currently sitting on that trend line. We expect it to break there and then potentially short to hit this early Fibonacci target area. We'll keep an eye on it and let you know how it goes in coming hours and days. Again, to understand how to trade some divergence but also some trend trading strategies, subscribe to the Patreon page where we also look at weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.